What did you get? Wow. You're right, he likes the mountain quarry. Is that exciting? Oh, that train. Do you see how many he's holding in his hands? Back to the mountain quarry. Wow. Let's come over here and get a good angle. Choo choo. This is quite the train set. Oh my gosh. What do you do with it all? I think he's in shock.
Remove this.
Press the button. Wow. Look at mommy. Look at mom. Not gonna happen. Good stuff. Well done, Santa.